Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is a really pretty look that would be perfect for Easter or just any springtime event that you have in general. It has some purples and like little hints of pinks, and I really like how it came out because pink is a color I never really ever play with. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Okay, so my eyebrows are done and my eyelids are primed. My eyebrows, I use the Maybelline brow definer, and then I put the volumizer brow stuff on it. And then for my eyelids, I primed with the Urban Decay primer potion. I'm just gonna go right into the lid, and I'm going to be using this ColourPop Super Shock shadow in the shade Revolution. It is this really pretty, like, sparkly purple shade. I got it for Christmas from Sephora, so I don't know if it's on the ColourPop website, but check out Sephora if it's there. And I'm just going to take my ring finger and apply this to my eyelid. I'm applying this shade first because I feel like whenever I apply like a ColourPop shadow after I do my crease, the crease gets all messed up. So I'm going to do the crease next. You'll see. It'll work. For the crease, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here, which is Buon Fresco. And I'm just going to put this in the crease to really buff out the ColourPop shade. To add a little bit of depth, I'm going to go back in with Buon Fresco and a little bit of a love letter. Just add like a little pop of color and, like I said, some depth to the look. And I'm just going to focus this really in the crease. These two together make a really pretty, like, deep purple shade. So I'm actually really glad I did this. I was a little nervous, but I'm happy I did. Next, I'm just going to go back in with Revolution, and I'm just going to go over my lid one more time because I feel like the color got a little lost when I was blending out the crease. So I'm just going to pop this on the lid. Then I'm just going to go in with my handy dandy sort of Akashic brush just to blend everything nicely together. Next, I'm just going to take this Ulta crease brush, and I'm going to use Buon Fresco and Love Letter, and I'm just going to blend this on the outer V so like the lid and the crease can kind of just mesh together nicely. And then I'm just going to blend it together one more time. Okay, so I just threw some concealer down just so I can finish up the eyes with you guys, and then I'll finish up the rest of my face and show you the lips, and you guys know. So I'm going to go in with this pencil brush and Vermeer and Love Letter, and I'm just going to sweep this along the lower lash line. And then next up, I'm going to take Vermeer, and I'm going to pop this in the inner corners and probably on my brow bone. So I just got done finishing up the rest of my face. I added, you know, blush, bronzer, foundation, and that fun stuff. I also added this NYX Wonder Pencil in light to my waterline. I was debating if I should, and I did, just to open up the eyes a little bit more, and I was just in the zone of doing my makeup, and that's why I didn't film it. But I like how it came out with the Wonder Pencil because it really did like open up the eyes a little bit more and made them like more awake looking and more like springtime. So yeah, I like it. For lip stain, I'm going to be using this Sephora cream lip stain in the shade Pink Souffle. This is a really pretty pink shade, and it has like some shimmer in it, but it's not like obnoxious or anything. I don't know, I just really like it. I haven't used it in a really long time. So yeah. that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.